At 10, a big blow to the Biden administration on vaccine mandate.
The Supreme Court blocks the vaccine or test mandate for large businesses in the U.S. WFMZ's Hannah O'Reilly reports tonight why some business groups are celebrating.
Thursday's 6-3 ruling by the Supreme Court blocked the Biden administration's effort to implement a vaccine requirement for companies with 100 or more employees. The court ruled that the mandate was overreaching.
It was questionable whether OSHA had the authority to implement such a mandate under the powers that they were authorized.
The country's largest retail group called the Supreme Court's decision a significant victory for employers. Other business groups pointed out the cost companies would have faced. Implementing weekly testings could also be tough.
As we all know, there's somewhat limited amounts of testing around, so it would have been difficult for employers to comply with this.
Biden responded to Thursday's ruling saying, "I am disappointed that the Supreme Court has chosen to block common sense, life-saving requirements for employees at large businesses that were grounded squarely in both science and the law." The court did allow a separate vaccine rule to remain in effect for certain healthcare workers. Mandate or no mandate, St. Luke's Dr. Jeffrey Jari says there may be a way for these businesses to get their employees on the same page.
If a business does it in a proper way, they can convince the majority of their employees to go along if it makes sense. And I would rather see that than come down on a strict sense in terms of absolute mandates.
Now, if businesses do decide to keep that vaccine mandate, they'll be free to do so without any time restrictions or legal ramifications. In Allentown, Hannah O'Reilly, 69 News.